Hi, Happy New Year. This is a new year and we hope to start it on a good note to fulfill our dreams and desires. Ever wondered why the international professional hairstylists are being treated well and are making so much more than you have just because they are professionals and they think they know what you don't know? Let me tell you something. This is because of the advanced knowledge in hairdressing techniques and their customer service experience. Now you know. A lot of you hairdressers have been taken for granted, but you've been looking for ways to get better by sharpening your hair skills to level up. Or maybe you're a newbie in the hair industry. Are you a hairstylist and you want to take your dreams to the next level? You are in the right place. My name is Tosin and I'm a hair specialist. I'm trained and I've been in this hair industry for a while now. I've worked with top salons, owned a salon, had my ups and downs, but these skills has kept me going and has made me stand out among the best. And the knowledge I've acquired, I can tell you for the fact that it was worth it. In this workshop, I'll be passing the skills to you as my way of lending to the nations. So I'm going to be showing you the advanced way of making hair, unlike the ones you're used to. So what are you going to be learning? You're going to be learning how to cut different kinds of sophisticated hairstyles. You'll be learning the art of intense hairstyling like the Oyibo people do, product knowledge, everything you need to know about hair, color highlighting, and so much more. At the end of this 2 weeks training workshop, you'll be given a certificate of completion. To join this workshop, send a DM or a message to the WhatsApp number down below. Let's grow together. Don't sleep, wake up. See you there and bye for now.